Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. With 150 new cases, active cases in the state stands over 1,800. Union Ministry for Social Justice and Empowerment Dr. Virendra Kumar meets NGOs in the state. Union Minister reviews implementation of central schemes in the state. And state felicitates meritorious students who excelled in the Class 10 and 12 examinations 2020. And now for the news in detail. Meghalaya reported 150 new cases today, while 167 people recovered in the last 24 hours. The total active cases in the state now stands at 1,878. While one death was also reported and the person was not vaccinated, taking the total number to 1,381. India's active caseload stands at over 3,09,000. Active cases account to less than 1% of the total cases. The recovery rate stands at 97.75%. Over 81 crore 85 lakh COVID vaccine doses have been administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment Dr. Virendra Kumar, following his visit to the state, expressed concern over the trans-border smuggling of drugs to the northeast from across the border, which affects the youth of the region. The minister appealed to the states to set up programs that the youth may utilize for the welfare of the state and the society. The minister was in Shillong to attend a meeting with NGOs availing schemes from the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. The proximity of northeastern states, including Meghalaya, to the Golden Triangle, which is considered a transit route for drugs, has been stated as the reason for the high drug trafficking trends in the region and in the state.
पास के देशों से वो नशा बड़ी मात्रा में आ रहा है। इसको रोकने के लिए राज्य सरकारों का भी सहयोग लेकर नशीली दवाओं को आने से रोकना और हमारे युवाओं को इन नशा मुक्ति केंद्रों के माध्यम से नशे की गिरफ्त से बाहर लाना, ताकि ये अपने परिवार को अपने योगदान देने के साथ ही साथ समाज में और राष्ट्र के निर्माण में ऐसे सारे युवा अपना योगदान दे सकें।
Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment Dr. Virendra Kumar today reviewed the work of the state government as well as the various NGOs towards the development of disabled people. He also reviewed implementation of various central schemes in the state. The Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment is working towards the development of transgenders and beggars, as the ministry informed of plans to get them involved with the skill development program of the centre to make them Atma Nirbhar. NGOs play a pivotal role in the developing this sector. Principal Secretary Social Welfare Sampath Kumar said in the state there are around 40,000 disabled people, even as he explained various schemes implemented by the state for the welfare of the disabled.
इसके साथ ही साथ जो घुमंतु विमुक्त जातियां हैं, फिर जो भिक्षुक जन होते हैं, इनको भी जो है ना कौशल विकास केंद्र की योजना के साथ में जोड़कर, और उसमें एनजीओ की बहुत महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रहती है। कौशल विकास केंद्रों के साथ में जोड़कर उनके अंदर जो प्रतिभा है उसको आगे लाकर उनको प्रशिक्षण देकर लोन उपलब्ध कराना कम ब्याज पर, सब्सिडी देना और सब्सिडी देकर उनके द्वारा निर्मित सामग्री को बाजार उपलब्ध कराना, ताकि ये समाज और देश के विकास में अपना योगदान प्रभावी ढंग से दे सके।
The Information Technology and Communication Department of the state handed over laptops to meritorious students who excelled in the Class 10 and 12 board examinations 2020 of MBO's CBSE, ICSE and ISE at a program at Yojana Bhavan Auditorium. Hamletson Darling, Information Technology and Communication Minister, addressed the students and lauded their hard work and urged them to perform better.
You are the future of the state. It is you, one day, will come and take over to run the state.
The local Dorbar Shillong of three villages, NONGKRAK, Umringsai and Lom Birhing, under Nongbo Ilaka Sardarship, reiterated their opposition to the setting up of a wine shop at NONGKRAK village along the National Highway 6, few kilometers from Nongbo town. They also expressed their discontent over the border released by Dorbar Raj of NONGKRAK, preventing obstruction of the setting up of the wine shop. Representatives of the three villages held a meeting with the leaders of the social organization who supported them. The Chief Advisor to the Government of Meghalaya and former Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Dr. D.D. Lapang, inaugurated the Northern RIBHOI College in the school campus of Higher Secondary School Diwan, Umden. The inaugural function was also attended by Vincent H. Bala and local MLA of Nongpo, Meryl Bonds Aim. Others who were present on the occasion were MDC of Nongpo, Balajit Rani, MDC of Mauhati, Charles Marngar, RIBHOI Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba and Joint Director of Education V.S. Nongbeth, headmen, local villagers and parents and students as well.
There is one bridges. Provided no turning back. Could even long graduate, but much more beyond. The more you read, the more you ought to read.
And now let's have a look at the weather report. Maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 16.6 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 96% and in the evening 72%, rainfall 5.4 millimeters, forecast moderate rain, thunder shower is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. With 150 new cases, active cases in the state stands over 1,800. Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment Dr. Virendra Kumar meets NGOs in the state. Union Minister reviews implementation of central schemes in the state. And state felicitates meritorious students who excelled in the class 10 and 12 examinations 2020. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.